let's calm down. Everybody, it's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan. Today's video is very kindly sponsored by Care of, and I will be speaking about them more later on in this video, but first, let's make some food. I'm going to challenge myself to prep 7 days worth of vegan food in 1 hour. So we are talking breakfast, lunch, dinner for 7 days. Here we have a timer. Why would I cheat? Because I would still show you this video even if I fail, so okay. We're just gonna get started. Oh gosh darn. You want to cook whatever is going to take the longest first so that you're going to save time and you can do other things while that thing is cooking. We're going to cook rice, okay? Cut rice. Okay. We are making brown rice because we're going to be healthy, you know. I'm just wasting time talking, why? So we're going to wash this and then we're going to get this started. We're going to stick it in the multi-cooker and I'm hoping that it's not going to take a million years. Right. Alright you guys, so I thought I had a pasta sauce, but I don't. So I decided to make a creamy cashew sauce, which is going to be healthy and delicious. I have a little bit of cashew left. I'm also going to add in some pine nuts. Let's just try to make this work. I'm going to boil some water so I can soften the cashews. This is a really great way to soften cashews if you didn't soak them overnight, because who actually remembers to do that? I'm going to actually cook up some quinoa, which I've had in my pantry forever. It's already been 15 minutes. I've done absolutely nothing. Here's the quinoa, 2 cups of water to a boil. Okay, while that's boiling, I can do other stuff as well. I actually have this yam slash sweet potato that I need to use up. The time is ticking, and I might actually air fry this. Here is the yam situation. I'm gonna stick this into the air fryer. So we're gonna cook it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna give it a shake and do it again for another 10 minutes. Okay, now water is boiling, guys. Come with me. Come with me, I'm freaking out. It's dark, I'm sorry. Cashews, where are you? Okay, we've got cashews. We're gonna stick this in. I have no time to measure. Approximately, maybe half a cup, maybe 3/4 of a cup. I'm also gonna add in some pine nuts. Are these raw? Yes. Let's add in, I don't know, another half cup. Okay, let's calm down. Half a cup of pine nuts. Throw that in there. I'm pretty much winging everything, just letting you all know. The water for the quinoa is boiling, so I'm gonna stick in this entire bag of quinoa. So we're gonna cover this up and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Whew! I think most of the big things are good to go. While that stuff is cooking, we're actually gonna quickly prepare our breakfast, okay? As I mentioned in the beginning of this video is very kindly sponsored by Care of, and they are a company that delivers individualized, customized daily vitamins and supplements straight to your door. So once a month you get this lovely package of individualized vitamins, and it has all of the vitamins and supplements that you have selected. So here's some more information about Care of. The awesome thing about Care of is that in the beginning you simply take a 5-minute quiz and you get recommended a personalized vitamin pack. So it's kind of like having a quick consultation with a nutritionist to get recommended the best supplements to suit your needs. I keep my box on my kitchen counter so it's visible to me every single day, and I love the fact that everything I need is in one individual package. I can literally just take this one little package and stick this into a bag if I want to take my vitamins later, and these are so great for people that are always on the go, that are busy, and if you enjoy traveling or if you travel often, this is literally perfect for traveling. If you guys are interested in trying out Care of, they are giving you guys a special offer of 25% off your first month when you use the code ROSE. So visit the website below and take your 5-minute quiz to see what supplements would be right for you. For breakfast, I'm actually going to simply make some smoothie bags so that I can easily just take out a bag, put it into a blender, add some liquids, and then call it a day. We have blueberries, frozen bananas, which might be too frozen, so I might need to use my fresh bananas. And I have sandwich bags, which you can reuse, guys. But we're gonna just take a handful of spinach per bag. We're gonna add half a cup of blueberries each. Approximately 1 frozen banana, or 1 banana per each. Okay, I'm gonna use fresh bananas now. So into each smoothie bag, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds, ground flax seed. And then we're also gonna add in 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. What else can we add? Let's just do this first. Oh my gosh. These are all very nutrient dense and are gonna give you some nice healthy fats. So I try to add these in if I remember. You can add in whatever else you want, but I'm gonna add in 1 tablespoon of acai powder per bag as well. It's gonna be super healthy and delicious. So we're gonna add in just 1 tablespoon of acai powder. This is the one I'm using. Quinoa is finished. So the quinoa looks like it's finished. I'm gonna actually cover it up, set it aside. I'm supposed to let it stand for 5 minutes. And this means this is probably finished. Whew. All right, you guys. So smoothie bags are done. I'm gonna put these aside and cook. I don't have much time. Okay, so let's cut up some veggies. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't have time. So one tip to quicken your meal prep time is to use frozen veggies or pre-cut veggies. We also have my new obsession, which is baby bok choy. There's 18 minutes, I'm screwed. Let's see what I can do in the next 18 minutes. I'm just gonna add in the veggies in here. I also have some broccoli, which luckily for me, it's already pre-chopped. We are going to just cook this up in a wok very quickly. Come with me. I forgot I also have mushrooms. I'm just going to wash these quickly. While that's cooking, we're gonna make a quick sauce. So this is the soaked cashew and pine nut situation. 14 minutes on the timer, and I still have not made proper meals. So we have here the pine nuts and cashews. I'm just going to add some almond milk. By the way, this is not planned at all. I'm not measuring anything at this point. Garlic powder. A lot of it, apparently. Bit of Dijon mustard. We're gonna add some nutritional yeast. And a small amount of vegetable broth powder. And let's blend this out. Now we can bring some water to a boil so we can cook the pasta. This is actually a protein-based pasta. It's fully made with only edamame. Can you believe this is made from soybeans? So luckily this thing only takes about 3 minutes to cook. I'm gonna be honest, guys, there's 10 minutes on the timer. It's probably not gonna happen, but we're gonna still try to do this as fast as possible. The veggies, I think it's, oh gosh. Okay, so into the veggies, I'm actually going to add in some cashew parmesan. You can obviously season it however way you want, but I just feel like this is a good way to season something. Mix that well. So I just made this with water, nothing else, just added the cashew parmesan. Oh guys, this is very stressful. All right, so I made this sauce the other day and I'm obsessed with it, so we're gonna make it. Oh my God, we have 5 minutes, this is not gonna happen. But we're still gonna be quick. So we're gonna put in some tahini. We're gonna make some tahini dressing, which I think I will definitely be making very, very often now. Oh, come on, tahini, give me a hand here. So this can go on anything, so I'm gonna put this on the rice, quinoa, all that stuff. We're also gonna add in some nooch. I'm just gonna free pour. I think I did a video, which will be coming out, I think before this one, that shows how to make this sauce in a more proper way. I'll link that video down below. We're gonna add in some soy sauce. And then of course I'm gonna run out of soy sauce. Apple cider vinegar, very healthy. Come on, where's the soy sauce? Here's some more soy sauce. 4 minutes. I have yet to prepare one proper meal, so that's great, except for breakfast. I made breakfast. It's because I'm filming, you guys. You can't blame me, okay? Anyways, we're adding some garlic powder. We gonna add in some agave nectar. Just gonna free pour this and then mix that well. And that's gonna be our dressing for many, many things. We're gonna definitely add some water to thin this out. Add a bit of water, thin it out. That dressing is pretty much ready. I haven't tasted it. I'm going to assume it's delicious. All right, now we're just going to cut open these cans of beans so we can quickly make some meals. We're gonna have that for our protein. So, I failed. But we're gonna keep going. Let's see how long this actually takes me. Now I'm gonna actually put on a, what do you call it? Stopwatch, is that what it's called? Start. Okay, let's just put this on. Let's see how long this actually takes me. So right now I'm just rinsing out the beans. Oh Lord. Pasta finished. So the rice is finally releasing the steam and we are going to assemble the pasta. And we're gonna add in some frozen veggies because I don't think I have enough veggies. These are already cooked, so we can just add that straight in there. Then we're gonna add in the sauce. Seems to be the perfect amount. Looks like a delicious fettuccine alfredo. And 21 minutes and 47 seconds. So I'm 20 minutes past the actual time that I was trying to make. Oh, it's pretty much a fail, but I'm gonna show you guys all the food that I made in an hour and 21, almost 22 minutes, an hour and 22 minutes.
A few moments later.
So I have made 7 of those rice bowls, 3 of the quinoa bowls, and 4 of the pasta. So that brings us to 14 meals, which is 7 days of lunch and dinners. This is all of the food that I made. Unfortunately, I did not manage to stay within the 1 hour time frame. I did make a lot of food though within an hour and 23 minutes, I believe. It's not too bad. Well, I went over quite a bit, but please remember that I was filming and you know, there's just a lot going on when you're filming, okay? So it was a lot to take in. So all of these, keep in mind, you can actually freeze and eat later, which is awesome. I'm sorry, I failed. Alright you guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. It is hot, I am sweating, and I need to clean up. Look at the back, look at the mess I made. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I failed, but I will try again soon. If you want me to try this again, let me know down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank Care of once again for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check them out down below and use the code ROSE to get your 25% off. Take that quiz and see what sort of vitamins and supplements you might need. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!